first. Oh yeah, we're destroying the lawnmower just there.
R.I.P lawnmower. So sad.
Yeah, give a shout out to the cameraman.
Yo. Not that I have a YouTube channel. I'm just ruining this video. Where'd he go? Oh, dog. Where's he gone?
Oh, here.
Oh.
We can't find the hammer.
He decided to look like the 80s for today.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why am I just filming everything I see?
I've got tape, but we're not going to need those.
Where did you put your sledgehammer?
Don't know.
Why don't we clean it instead?
And this hammer. I just got to find the hammer. Ah, here's one. Not the best, but it'll do.
Right, 3, 2, 1.
Wait,
Oh.
gotta put this on.
You need to look like somebody from the 80s. Come on.
Oh, even better one. Better one than that one. Oh, okay.
R.I.P lawnmower. It's already dead, but
Yeah, they keep on knocking away.
you'll be blind, boy. Boy, you'll be blind.
There.
This lawnmower is getting shattered. Can I stamp on it a sec?
Yeah.
It's not. Oh.
The filming might not be as good now. Oh yeah. If you're wondering what happened to the engine, we took it out and we're putting it into my babyish go-kart.
There's the engine.
Yeah.
It's a little two-stroke thing, I think.
Yeah, it's only got 4 horsepower.
This cameraing is not very good because I'm not good anyway. I think we should leave it there. This is not going well. I think I have to do a separate video for this.
Yeah, when I find my prop sledgehammer. Yeah, this might take a while.
We can't do that long a video. I think we're going to have to do a part 2.
Yeah, we might do part. Ow!
Right. Do your outro.
1 second. Bye. Oh, yeah, we might do a second episode.
Well, yes, we are going to do a second episode. Because we haven't actually destroyed it. And if we haven't, it's clickbait.
Oh, we need the crowbar to pull that off.
Go get the crowbar in the second video, okay? Right.